Hello friends, so today I found a video, viral math problem, and someone sends me this problem on my WhatsApp, and this problem has been taken from the 4th or 5th standard math books. So what's the statement of the problem? Use the digits 1 to 9 to complete this square so that each of rows, column and even diagonal entries adds up to 50. It means the sum of we have to put the elements from 1 to 9 in these 9 box, so the sum of these all rows and all diagonals, all columns must be 50. So let's, if you want to solve this problem, so please stop the video here and try it yourself. Let me solve this problem so by using a proper mathematical model. So the proper mathematical model for this problem should be like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. According to given conditions, the equations should be A plus B plus C equals to 50. Similarly, D plus E plus F equals to 15. G plus H plus I is equals to 15. So all rows sum up it in 15. Now all columns. So columns A plus D plus G equals to 15. B plus E plus H should be 15. C plus F plus I should be 15. Now we have 9 unknowns, but the equations are 6. Sorry, equation 6. So one more equation, that is the diagonal element entries. A plus E plus I is equals to 15. Now if no element and no number is repeated, it means they all are different. But there are now 7 equations, but it is still we have 9 unknowns, so we need 2 more equations. So the one equation should be I think so, this one, A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H plus I should be equals to the sum of these all entries, because the A, B, C are the elements from this 9 this set of 9 elements. So the sum of these all entries must be the sum of 45, because the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 9 is 45. Now these are 8 equations, but we have 9 unknowns. So it implies simply this system or this problem has infinitely many solutions. So we can solve this mathematical model to find the solution for this problem, because it has infinitely many solutions. The system is inconsistent. Let us try this problem without using any mathematical model, just our senses. So what should be the answer? Let me pick the entries from here, and I have already picked all the entries at my homework. So this should be 5, this should be 9, and this should be 1, and this one 3, 4 and 8, and this will be 7, 2, 6, and we can check them. 5 plus 9 plus 1 is 15. It's okay. 3 plus 4 plus 8 is also 15, and 7 plus 2 plus 6 is also 15. Now 7 plus 3 plus 5 is 15, 9 plus 4 plus 2 is 15, 1 plus 8 plus 6 is also 15. Now the diagonal entries 5 plus 4 plus 6 is 15. Now this is the correct solution for the problem. But does there exist any other solution? So yes, there exists any other solution, that is the just flip this entries. So this should be 6, 2, 7 and 8 for 3 and 1, 9, 5. So this is actually, we have shown in the previous slide we have we have 8 equations but 9 unknowns. So our mathematical theory says this system has infinitely many solutions, or system has inconsistent. and in the next slides we have actually seen that we have two solutions and both are correct, so it satisfies our mathematical theory. Thanks for the video. If you like, share it and subscribe my channel.